Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very warm welcome to all of you. Today we begin a journey not just of learning new ideas but of understanding ourselves better. In our professional lives, we spend years improving our knowledge, our skills, our degrees, and our careers. But very often, we forget the most important subject of all: our own personality, our own character, our own inner world. Personal development is not about becoming someone else. It is about discovering who you truly are, strengthening your values, refining your habits, and unlocking the best version of yourself. In this workshop series, we will talk about growth, not only professional growth, but emotional maturity, ethical strength, self-discipline, communication, resilience, and purpose in life. Because true success is not measured only by titles and achievements, but by the kind of human being we become. The peace we carry inside and the positive impact we create around us. I invite you to keep an open mind, reflect honestly, and apply these ideas in your daily life. Let's begin this journey of personal growth together. Let me share the details of workshops in this series. Our first workshop will be Discover Yourself, Unlock Your Hidden Potential. Our second workshop will be The Power of Emotional Intelligence. The third workshop will be Mindset and Success Psychology. The fourth workshop of the series will be Communication, Public Speaking, and Relationship Building in Workplace. The fifth workshop will be Time Management and Productivity. The sixth workshop will be Goal Setting and Personal Vision. The seventh workshop will be work-life balance and burnout prevention. The 8th workshop will be stress management, inner balance, and resilience. The 9th workshop will be on anger management, while the 10th workshop will be on leadership skills for young clinicians especially. And the 11th workshop will be ethical decision making and professional conduct. So the series of our workshops will comprise these 11 workshops. And I'll request you to be with me from the first workshop, because the sequence is intentional, and when you will attend each and every workshop, it will help you in your personal development, identify your weaknesses, augment your energies, your positive points, and to improve your personality, your attitude, your energies. So it's a complete course towards personal development. So see you in the first workshop and discover yourself, unlock your hidden potential in the next video. See you then. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.